Here I have Motorola Moto G42, and today I'm going to show you how to add Google account on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the passwords and accounts section, then tap add account, select Google, then you have to enter your email or phone number, tap next, then you have to enter your password, tap next, then you have to select if you want to, then you have to select if you will be using this device or if your child will be using it. Then you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Then select if you want to enable Google backup feature. So if you want to enable, just tap accept. If you don't want it, disable it here and tap accept. And account will be added. So if you want to remove this account, just select it here, tap remove account and tap and confirm it. And that's it. That's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.